Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about passing headers using headers and script tabs in Bruno. First, we are going to discuss what are headers. HTTP headers contain metadata in key value pairs that are sent along with HTTP requests and responses. They can be used to define caching behavior, facilitate authentication and manage session state. HTTP headers help the API client and server communicate more effectively and enable developers to optimize and customize the API's behavior. First, I am showing how to pass the headers using the headers tab in Bruno. I will be passing the headers content type with value application JSON and authorization header. Its value is this bearer and corresponding bearer token value. So I have already opened Bruno. For this demo, I am using the collection authorization. I am using request generate bearer token and get favorite airports. So if you hit this generate bearer token request, if you pass the email and password correctly for the airport gap website, you will be getting a bearer token. In my case, I have received a token. So we need to reuse this token in the subsequent get request in order to get the favorited airports list. So if I am hitting this particular request without passing the bearer token value, this API will be giving unauthorized response. You can see we have got a 401 status code. So we don't have the authorization to get the details of the favorite airports unless we have passed the bearer token values correctly. To do this, I am using headers tab. I am clicking on this add header. In the key column, I am adding content type. This is not actually needed. I am just showing as an example. And its value is application JSON. Next, I am adding the authorization header. This is important. You have to pass the bearer token value for this key. Then only we will be getting the correct response. Otherwise, we will be getting this 401 status code. So this is the bearer token value. I am saving the request. Now I am going to send this request. You can see that this time after passing the headers correctly in the headers tab in Bruno, we have received the favorited airport response from the server. So this is the first way. Now I am going to show the second way. So for that, I am first disabling these headers from the headers tab. I am saving the request. Now the second way is to use the script tab. For that, we have to use some JavaScript code. So this is the code we have to use. I am copying this one and pasting it in the prerequisite section. We have to make sure we are using this code in the prerequisite section because we need to pass these details before sending the request. Then only this API will be giving correct response from the server. So I am using the REQ object and calling the set header method and passing the header content type and its value, also passing authorization header and its bearer token value. I am saving the request and sending the request again. So this time also we have got the response correctly. So I am adding this comment so that everyone can understand. So this is passing single header one by one. So I am adding that comment here and I am commenting this line. Now we are using this particular code. This will pass multiple headers using the set headers method. This is a plural method. You can see the method name. It is set headers, not set header. So if we use this particular set headers method along with the request object, we can pass multiple headers like this. I am saving the request. Now I am sending the request again. So this time also you have got the correct response using the request.setHeaders method. So this is how you can pass headers in Bruno using the headers and script tab. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.